Bass line is in the key of G, and the progression is 1 4 1 5. So we have G, C, G, D, Sol, Do, Sol, Re. So I'm playing from minute 650, and it starts off like this. So by the way, I'm not playing exactly what the bassist plays in the song. I kind of did my own bass line, but what I'm playing was so that is 1 3 3 2 1. So 1 3 3 2 1, and then you go to the 4 4 6 6 5 4, then 1, then 5 7, then again 1 3 3 2 1 4 6 6 5 4, and you can also go to the 3, then, or you can play this when you go back to the 5, so 5 7, or you can play 5 2, so So for the Seben part, like I said, I played my own bass line, and all I played is 1 1 4 1 1 7. So I'll explain. So all I did is 1 octave, 1 4 4 1 1 7 5 1 1 4 4 1 7. Then I went to the 6. So 6 octave, 1 4 1 1 7. Then I also played this. So 2 1 6 1 4 5 1. So I kind of improvise on the spot. So I know I'm not showing you guys exactly what I played because I just did it on the spot, but I'm showing you guys how you can improvise. So if you know the major scale and you know your chord tones as well, it'll be very easy. So you're playing, when you play the 1, I always play the octaves. And when I play the 4, I go back to the 1. And instead of going to the 5 in the traditional way, so like actually pressing the 5, I play 1 7. and I go to the 6. So there's a part where I go to the 6. By the way, slow this video down if I'm going too fast. But there's a part where I go to the 6, so I'll play 1, 6, 1, 7, then 6, 1, 6, 1, 7, so 1, 6, 6, 1, 7,